doing a bit more on the wiring. Spent a day on it. I've done most of the sensors. Got coolant pressure, got the thermostat, got the 2 NOx sensors. Before I thought these were the same as the other ones on the N54, but they're not. I've got them mixed up with the boost solenoids, so I wired them in. I've got the Vanos at the back are done. There's 2. They're done. It's like I've untangled all these wires so I can put a boot on them. But instead of being all twisted like this, I've put them all like this now, so I can put them together. So from the top of the engine, these are the only 2 I haven't done, that and the alternator, which I haven't even got. But from the top you should only see these wires, coils, injectors, and the rest should be all underneath. Have me back pressure sensor and boost solenoid. It's all done. I'm literally down to doing these 2 here, which is the intake and exhaust cam sensors. This is that and that. So that's a day's work. So another day or so neating it up.